day one
Hello guys,
begins
welcome
and
to
anticipation
the
is high.
match.
Attacking line, attacking length. That's what you expect from a quick bowler.
Huh?
Now that's a really good shot. Fabulous shot down the ground. No chance for the fielder inside the circle. The sheer power behind that shot is incredible. He made full use of the delivery and sent it to the fence. Pressure on the batter. Goes aerial, goes over the top and goes all the way for maximum. What a crowd pleaser. You can see from the replay how cleanly he struck that straight into the stands. But that's hit high. Fielders are converging. That's good running. A couple of runs. Oh, he's changed his angle coming over the wicket. Lose and punish. Time to perfection. 4 more. The sheer power behind that shot is incredible.